Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Suiswap token. Ticker symbol is SSWP. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing in a couple days on a very big central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Suiswap token is being listed June 13th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you'd have to do is, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SSWP, and then simply just buy the token. And that'll be available June 13th, 12 o'clock UTC time. Now, there is a total supply of 10 billion SSWP tokens. Now, how the token is split up is basically 30% of the tokens go to team, developers, and advisors. 13.5% of the tokens go to private seed round and a market making reserve. 2.5% goes to airdrops. 5% to IDOs. 1.1% goes to events, central exchange listings, on-chain operations, and initial liquidity rewards. And 47.9% goes to liquidity mining and yield farming. Now, you can find their Twitter at Suiswap_app. They also have a webpage, suiswap.app. And on their webpage, you can find a link to their Discord. And they also have a full white paper as well. So, the SSWP token symbolizes the Suiswap protocol token, a native token within the Sui blockchain ecosystem. The purpose of the SSWP token is to strengthen the Suiswap protocol platform and governance mechanisms. Suiswap aspires to establish itself as the premier trading platform for the entire Sui network, offering liquidity for various swaps and transactions. As the governance token of Suiswap, the SSWP token constitutes an essential component of the platform's operation. The Suiswap platform intends to enable community members to derive revenue rights through the SSWP token by holding and staking platform tokens on the platform. Community members can obtain platform revenue generated from the trading fees and other channels via SSWP tokens. The Suiswap platform seeks to facilitate the distribution of platform management rights among community members holding the SSWP tokens. By staking tokens, members can contribute valuable insights and influence to future trajectory of the platform's development. So the value of the SSP token is the core of all trading and management on the Suiswap platform. SSP holders have the following rights: platform governance. By staking your tokens through the Sui blockchain-based smart contracts, you can govern the Sui platform and community. Platform revenue, we will distribute approximately 60% of the platform revenue evenly among SSP or SSWP token holders. All you need to do is lock your SSWP on the Suiswap platform, and you can receive the corresponding platform revenue every 14 days without unlocking your tokens. Also, yield farming. By locking your SSWP on the Suiswap platform, you can earn additional rewards when you unlock your tokens. And trading, holding, and circulation. Like other tokens, unlocked SSWP tokens can be traded, held, and circulated on the blockchain. So there is an automatic token burn mechanism. So Suiswap platform will automatically use a portion of its platform revenue to automatically buy back tokens from the market and permanently destroy them. So it's a deflationary token. The specifications, so these tokens among community members are distributed among community members, early stage investors, IDO participants, liquidity providers, Suiswap team, and various advisors, according to various locking investing schemes in a subsequent table and chart. So there's a liquidity pool, there's a rewards event, so then there's IDOs, airdrops, basically all the things I named in token allocation. They go through each one of those things more in depth. So in conclusion, the SSWP token plays a crucial role in the Suiswap ecosystem, a decentralized exchange built on the innovative Sui blockchain. As a governance token, SSWP enables its holders to participate in platform governance, enjoy platform revenue, and engage in yield farming and liquidity mining activities. With a fixed supply of 10 billion SSWP tokens and a token burn mechanism, SSWP is designed to maintain a stable growth in value and incentivize a long-term holding. The Suiswap platform offers a variety of token events, such as initial liquidity rewards event, IDO, airdrops, public sales, and seed rounds, to distribute SSWP tokens to encourage community engagement. By actively participating in these events and providing liquidity to the platform, community members can benefit from the growth and success of the Suiswap ecosystem. As Sui continues to develop and strengthen its blockchain technology, focusing on speed and security, Suiswap's potential as a leading decentralized exchange also increases. The SSWP token will remain at the core of the Suiswap platform, empowering its users and shaping the future of decentralized finance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.